What a boring day. I feel lazy in this house. Wait, what? I just yawned. Well, it doesn't mean that I'm sleepy now, but it was just a show so I can prove to you that I'm a handsome and smart actor. Joke. Now, perhaps I already gave you enough hints to realize what my topic is all about, right? You might be thinking that we will talk about yawning. But wait, there's more than that. Today I'll give scientific and most reliable hypothesis on what is yawning so contagious. Are you ready?
Yes.
Don't be so sleepy, okay?
Okay.
Cool. First, let me define the word yawning. Yawning is an involuntary process of opening the mouth and breathing in deeply, filling the lungs with air. We yawn if we are tired, but we can also yawn just by looking someone else is doing the same act. This phenomenon is known as contagious yawning. There are two physiological hypotheses that can support this claim. First physiological hypothesis states that contagious yawning is triggered by a specific stimulus on initial yawn. This is called fixed action pattern. Your yawn makes me yawn, similar to a dominant effect. One person's yawn triggers a yawn the person nearby has observed the act. Once this reflex is triggered, it must run its course. Have you ever tried to stop a yawn once it has begun?
Yes.
But it's impossible. Another physiological hypothesis is known as non-conscious mimicry or the chameleon effect. This happens when you imitate someone's behavior without knowing it, a subtle and unintentional copycat maneuver. People tend to mimic each other's postures. Mirror neurons are a type of brain cell that responds equally when we perform an action as when we see someone perform the same action. Neuroimaging studies show us that when we see someone yawn or even hear their yawn, a specific area of brain housing these mirror neurons tends to light up, which in turn causes us to respond with the same action. A yawn! Our psychological hypothesis also involves the work of these mirror neurons. It is called empathy yawn. Empathy is the ability to understand what someone is feeling and partake in their emotion, a crucial ability social animals like us. In fact, contagious yawning starts occurring when we are about 4 or 5 years old, at the point when children develop their identify others' emotions properly. In the end, neuroscientific studies show us that they are aimed to prove contagious yawning is based on this capacity for empathy. More research is needed to shed light on what exactly is going on. Who knows? Maybe next time I can already find the exact reason why do we do this. For the meantime, try to sit back, relax, and yawn. This is Eric Kim from ICANN Academy TED Club. Thank you very much.